Hey guys, Carly and Penny here. Penny's my American Girl doll, if you didn't know that. If you want to recurl your doll's hair, that's already curly obviously, and it just has a little bit of frizz, I will show you how to do that. The things that you will need for this: a pencil, not sharpened as you can tell, and a spray bottle. This is just water, so it's fine. What you're gonna do is they recommend just going like this. I'm not gonna actually do it, but they recommend doing that. Don't do that, I don't think, because if you get it too wet by accident, you might ruin your doll's hair. You don't want to take any chances on that. I can guarantee that. Okay, my hand's right here. Like that. I'll just do it. You're gonna get there you go. Your fingertips wet. Get the piece that you want and just make it damp. Take your pencil. You need to move the camera, you know. Okay, guys, we're done with her hair. Hold on, one more touch. So, now I can prove it to you. It does work on your doll. So I'll keep you posted. And yeah. Peace out. Goodbye.